Every operation done on a sheet is saved into an undo list. This list is shown in the undo dialog that can be invoked by the hotkey UD. Hotkey UU undoes one operation. UR redoes one operation. It is also possible to execute these using buttons in the undo dialog. Each sheet has its own undo list, which is never saved to the disk. The undo dialog always shows the undo list of the currently shown sheet. Switching sheets on the GUI will automatically update the undo dialog to show the newly activated sheet. Non-sheet operations, for example clearing the buffer, opening or closing sheets, are not saved on any undo list, and they are not undoable. As a design decision, some editing operations are not undoable either, for example selecting and unselecting objects.